I want to see this movie. It's Justin Bieber. I love Justin Bieber. He never stopped believing. She looks like a whore. I would fucking smack that bitch. Touching my man.
Your man.
My man.
Then go get your man.
I will. When he comes back to Michigan. He came from a small town. Did you hear that? He was chilling in his room. Did you know his favorite color is purple?
Yeah.
Me too.
Tell us, Alicia, what else do you know?
His tattoo. Right above his penis. What's this movie? It's like 6 more days. Excited. And it's amazing. You can. You just gotta believe in Bieber. I won't say
Never
to you.
Never!
I really want to see that movie. Look what I got. I got ghost movies. See, look. There, Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber. Wait, I gotta show Justin Bieber. Got my own, and I got my shirt. Can't see it. Oh yeah. That's it. I think they know about the movie now. You can get them from Hot Topic. What do you got to say? Because I don't got nothing to say. You should get these goggles. They're amazing. Oh, you can see myself do that. Justin Bieber, never say never.